I've got a Stitchfix. I'm over 40 and I'm a size 14. Stay tuned if you want to see what I got. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's time to do that right now. Subscribe. Be sure and click the little bell icon. YouTube will remind you when I upload because you don't want to miss all this. That's what I'm talking about. You don't want to miss it. If you are new to the world of clothing subscription boxes, maybe you've never heard of them, maybe you've never tried one, this is Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a way to get clothes without having to go shopping. This is a great service for people who don't like to shop, people who don't know what to buy, people who don't have time to shop. And all of those are me. This is like having a personal shopper comb the stores and then mail me what they think I'll like. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You pay a little fee to get your stylist to do these things for you, and then whatever you buy, that fee comes off the total. So if you pay $20 for the box, which I do believe this is $20, and you buy $100 worth of clothes, it comes out to $80, which essentially is just $100. You get what I'm saying? Are we there? I will link this in the description. Sometimes I get coupons for like $50 off, $25 off. It just depends on what time of year, what kind of a deal they're doing. I will link that for you below. Be sure and check that so that you can see what the special is this month. You get something, I get something, win-win. And you know what? You don't have to keep doing it. You don't have to buy anything. Your first box is always going to be free, so it's literally nothing out of your pocket except for just a little bit of fun. And it is fun. I also want to give a shout out here to my daughter, Ashley, who has a store called Thriftology. You can find her all across social media. She will do similar boxes for you. You give her, I'm saying it, but she may not want to do it. She has in the past done these boxes for me, and she can certainly help you if you're not good at clothing, but you also don't want to buy new for any multitude of reasons. She can help you, and they're great prices. She has a vintage clothing store, so check her out. I'm going to link her just below for you too, so you can contact her. In your box, you're going to get a return envelope. This isn't going to cost you anything to return. You just stick everything in there. It's paid for. That's why it's fun to try, because it's all completely free if it's your first box. And then you're going to get a receipt telling you the prices, and you're going to get a little styling guide with a little personal note. So let's see what she said. Although my stylist has been a he the last few times, and he's been knocking it out of the park. Hey Michelle, welcome to your 30-second fix. I had such a great time styling this one for you today, and I'm so happy to see you found some items to hang on to from your last fix. I would show you, but I don't know where those things are. Some cute shoes. For this fix, I sent along some classier, classic items that will hopefully match perfectly with your sparkly tank. For a simple black pant option, try these skinny pants from Liverpool. I wanted to send something simple since I didn't want the pant to distract from the tank. For something to toss over, try this notched collar blazer from Kenzie. I also sent along this Chanel boyfriend blazer in size extra large. Let me know which size works better for you. You can wear either blazer over this lush collared blouse for another dressy look that's perfect for the office or going out. Finally, for another simple top, try this one from fun to fun. Cheers, Adam. Well, I like that Adam ends it with cheers. Let me explain a few things on there. I got a really cute tank around my birthday time, and I thought I would wear that out to eat with my husband for my birthday meal, and didn't for a multitude of reasons, but also I don't like my arms to show. I don't feel comfortable with my arms showing. So I need something to go over it. So I've got this beautiful sparkly tank with nothing to wear it with. And that's the great thing about Stitch Fix. You can tell them what you need to add to your wardrobe and they can help you. So he's added some things that he thought would go good with the tank. He also took into consideration that my arms are large. Even though I'm a 14, I have very large arms. So a large in a blazer or even long sleeve, some non-stretchy long sleeve shirts, they won't go over my arms. I'm not going to show you my arms.
But trust me when I say they're large.
So I need to be able to accommodate that. I want to be comfortable if I'm wearing a blazer. And then he included some cards on the different ways I could wear this. If you'll watch the bottom of the screen, I will tell you the name of the clothing item, and I will also tell you the price in case you want to tell your stylist to get this particular thing, because it does work that way. You can send them specific things that you want to try. All dark. So not me. This is extra comfort, extra support, extra nice. And it is a tank I wanted to try. I won't be trying that on for you because never would I ever try on a tank like this and show it to my audience. So far, I love everything about this. On the inside, it appears to be some kind of polyester, very silky feeling inside, which comfort is everything for me. Yeah, the whole thing is lined with that. Isn't that so cute? And then the outside is kind of a velour, which I asked for velvet, and this is pretty close to velvet. Fake pockets? Fake pockets. We don't do fake pockets. Everything about this, though, I really think is cute. I think I'm going to like this a lot. Cute sleeves. Another blazer. This is pretty nice, too. Oh, yeah, fully lined. And I like this. It's another kind of a polyester blend. This one's a little silkier. This is just a black blazer. Nice sleeves. Let's see. What's up with fake pockets? Seriously, what is up with fake pockets? You probably can't see that because of the tags. Fake pockets! Down with fake pockets. Oh, pretty. I really, really, really like this. This is exactly like the shirt I'm wearing. Only in blue flowers. I'm not even kidding you when I say this is the exact same style. But as you can see, it's cut the same way. And yep, 3/4 sleeves. This one is more of a nylon polyester blend, whereas this one is cotton. Oh, this is the exact same material as this. So let's see what's the blend on this. It's polyester. Got some wild hair. Let's have a look at this here. This is pretty cute. I have a blue polka dot one, so I would be surprised if I love this enough to keep it when I have an almost exactly the same blue polka dot. I do like the color. That's very fun. Okay, and then he mentioned some pants to go with my tank, which I thought was really nice of him. Ooh, these are leggings, and I don't do leggings. But I do love Liverpool, but I don't do leggings. I hate leggings. I feel naked in leggings. We'll try them. We'll try them. I like everything about them except for that. They're going to be super tight. What did you think? I tried it on with the tank for you so you could see why I'm getting it. I need you to tell me ASAP which of the blazers look better. I definitely wouldn't get them both because I would never wear both of them. I don't need 2 blazers. So tell me which one you like better and if I should get those pants. Tell me, gotta tell me, I need your help. Be kind and rewind.